Hey, it's Brooke from Intelligent Concrete. We sealed our front driveway last week and it went so good. It was so easy to apply. We decided to do our back patio. So we are just getting started here on this gorgeous day. We had snow 2 days ago and it is all melted. It's beautiful. So we are going to get after it before we really hit snow season. But you can see where it was finished. There is some pucking already going on a little bit, not really as bad as the front. But that is why we chose to seal it. And like I said, it was so easy when it's 65 degrees here and almost drying like as soon as it's applied. So going really quick, about halfway done. And yeah, we're gonna keep on moving. We're using the same stuff. It's called Dryway. Suggest you using either a roller or a sprayer, so we're just rolling it because that's what we got and it's working great. So we just finished up sealing the back patio. Yesterday, the preparation was just cleaning it all off, getting the furniture moved to the side, and then we pressure washed it and let that dry overnight. And then the finished product here, you can take a look. So it's quite a bit. We didn't quite use all of the 5 gallon. We got that all done. And perfect day for it. Again, super easy application, and hopefully it'll keep it from deteriorating anymore. Obviously a lot less abrasion back here, and it's a flatter surface, so we chose not to purchase and add that grit that you mix in for the anti-slip. This sealer does say that it's supposed to help with slickness, so hopefully that will be enough here. Like I said, it's a flat surface and not a lot of activity, you know, just the family, us and the kids playing and hanging out. That's it. Ring the bell for notifications. Go concrete, beat asphalt. Thanks for watching.